How to change FPL name on app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Premier League application on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now, tap on the fantasy option on the bottom of your screen, and in this particular interface, tap on your name on top of your screen right below your team name. Now, you will see the option for manage your profile, so tap on the manage your profile option and then go ahead and tap on the manage account option you see there. Further, tap on manage account option and you will see the option for personal details. Tap on it and then go ahead and in this particular interface, make the changes that you want in your profile, and once you are done making the changes, tap on the save option on the bottom of your screen, and with this, just like that, your name on FPL app will be changed. So this was about how you can change your name on FPL app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.